Good evening, everyone. We are here at the Point Bolivar Lighthouse on the Bolivar Peninsula, right next to Galveston Island. And this is a very tall lighthouse that has been here since 1872. And just recently, earlier this year, they removed the top off of it because they do have plans of restoring it. So it is 114 foot tall, and it's been here since 1872, and it went out of service in 1933. So we're going to get a better view of the base of it here. So it is on private property, and it is gated off, so you cannot walk around it and tour it because it's not open to the public, although we can see it from the highway here. So it is a very beautiful sunny day here, clear skies. Now, what's amazing about this lighthouse, along with a few other structures here in the Galveston area, is that this particular lighthouse survived the Great Hurricane of 1900 that wiped out most of the island here. So it's one of the few amazing buildings that have survived that Category 5 hurricane. That was the strongest storm ever in the United States. So that's one fascinating, unique fact about this lighthouse that still remains here. Okay, here's another view of it here. But the road that leads up to the lighthouse has a very limited amount of space to walk around and get a full view of it. So I'm going to try to do the best I can to get as much of the lighthouse exposed in the video here. It's a close-up view of the top. Okay, right in front of the gate of the lighthouse, we have a 150th anniversary poster. It's still hanging here. That honored 150 years of the lighthouse being here. And obviously they had some type of celebration or event at that time. That was last year in 2022 to honor the lighthouse being here for so many years, which is really a unique and fascinating piece of Texas history here in Galveston. Okay, so here's one last view of the entire lighthouse property. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. I will have many more lighthouse videos in the future. And y'all have a wonderful evening.